In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix WhatsApp app not working in Windows 10 or 11. Let's get started. First, right-click on your taskbar, then select the option Task Manager. Now here, head over to the section Processes, find WhatsApp, right-click on it, and then select the option End Task. Once you do this, you can close this. Now launch your WhatsApp and try to log in. With this, your problem might be fixed. If this solution didn't work out for you, launch your Settings app. Now navigate to the option Apps. Click on Installed Apps. From the list of apps, find WhatsApp. Click on three dots, select the option Advanced option. Now scroll down. Here you're gonna find the option of Terminate. Click on that. Then select Repair and wait for the process to finish. After that, click Reset and confirm your choice. Once everything is complete, try opening WhatsApp again. With this, your problem might be resolved. Lastly, what you want to do is completely delete the app from your device and reinstall it. So click on Uninstall and confirm it. Now launch Microsoft Store, search for the app WhatsApp. Once app appears, install it, and that's it. With these, your problem will be fixed. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.